In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change bank account on Apple Cash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a bank account on Apple Cash. To do this, you will have to use the latest version of the Wallet app. So open the Wallet app on any iOS device. This is where you will be able to see your Apple Cash and the money that you have available on your balance. So in there, you will be able to tap your Apple Cash card and see all of the details. When you go over to the details about the card or Apple Cash, when you tap on more, usually the three dots in a circle, you will be able to find card details and consequently the option to manage your bank account. So immediately upon heading over to your Apple Cash section, where you can see the money that you have available and so on, you will be able to choose the option to transfer to a bank or to manage the bank account that is attributed to the card. So immediately upon choosing transfer to bank or bank account, you will be able to manage it. You can delete any bank information that is already registered in there, or if you choose the option to transfer, you will be able to select how much you want to transfer from your balance and then input the details about the bank account to initiate this transfer directly from Apple Cash. So you will be able to transfer any amount that you have available. You can choose between a standard or instant transfer, and you will receive the money that you sent over in that bank account that you attributed to your Apple Wallet. You can repeat this process as many times as you need, regardless of how much balance you have. You just need to open your Apple Wallet, tap on your Apple Cash balance, and when you go in there, in that menu, you will be able to manage the amount of money that you have. You should be able to register any valid bank account that you have as long as you input valid and legitimate details and you confirm that you are the owner of the account. I hope I was able to help you on how to change bank account on Apple Cash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.